Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to share with you a simple tutorial on how to link your PlayStation 5, PS5 with your TV. Firstly, go to the Settings menu on your PS5. It is extremely easy to follow instructions if you have ever used a PlayStation console before, Upon entering the settings, locate the System section. If you find the System option, select it. Move forward and find the HDMI option. Once you've clicked on the HDMI icon, ensure that the HDMI device link feature is enabled. This is crucial if you want to control your TV's volume or power off when you turn off your PS5. Lastly, if you wish to turn off your TV automatically when your PS5 is turned off, enable the power off link feature. This ensures that your TV remains turned off even when your PS5 is switched off. To access and enable these features, simply go back to your settings, click on Power Saving, and follow the on-screen instructions.